Thought it was a carton of beer.
Welcome to Ningbo. Ningbo.
Ningbo.
Oh my god. Abdi, we've just arrived. Shisha, yes. Yeah, we're trying a local Pijo's, local beers. And we're going to be holidaying in the mountains in a nice wee resort. It should be very nice. Abdi, are you looking forward to the adventure?
Mate, I actually am, and I'm a miserable fuck.
He is normally very miserable.
This is going to be great. No one can ruin this for me.
Yeah, and look at him. A suitcase for a 2-day retreat.
Oh, fuck off. I need my shit. I'm going to live lavishly. I'm going to live like a king.
Yeah, he's had one beer, so he's a bit aggressive, bless him. But... Welcome to Fenghua, near Ningbo. The beautiful mountains. That's where we're staying. E-Green Hotels and Resorts. Pretty nice, to be fair. Got the Palmer shirt on. All the boys. They're gonna hike today. Should be nice.
Ridiculous that they give you a score like that.
Got to scan some QR codes to get in. Apparently, you can see a big Buddha. Should be exciting. Yeah. It's a busy afternoon in Fenghua. Hiking in China, walking down a main road, slowly, gradually going up. It's a beautiful thing. Hello. Christ. Across the treacherous stepping stones. Wow! Victoria Falls. Alright, we're gonna go see a massive Buddha now. Exciting times. Here come the monks. Anna's gone to join in. Ooh, there he is. Catch a glimpse. That's a big Buddha. Size of them toes. Jesus wept. I mean Buddha wept. Fuck. Look at that. Oh god, the focus. Nice. That is nice, that. A view you can't pay for. But in this case we did pay 20 kwai. 20 kwai to see a big man. Bargain. Farewell, Big Buddha. Your retreat. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I was trying to get out of the way for a picture.
There's a video.
Oh.
There's another dog in a bag. I'm gonna go see a waterfall. Yeah, I can't quite see it, but...
You're taking a fucking picture, man.
No. Fair play. Jesus Christ. Back in Fenghua. How did you find the trip to the mountain?
Tiring, my legs are fucked.
His legs are gone. Right, we're gonna have a little gander while it's almost golden hour, very bright.
Hey, this looks so nice.
Yeah, look at all this paper on trees. Lanterns, paper,
Surely
flowers,
you can say more than that.
cherry blossoms.
cherry, Anthony, cherry,
Paper cherry blossoms.
cherry. What are these things? Advertisements? Cherry-tisements.
Don't know. Looks nice though. Through the arch we go. We're getting a photo shoot for
I
Run.
think so.
Amazing. Okay. How the?
So what is the sherry thing? You don't need to eat too
This
much.
giant mozzarella stick. Potatoes. Oh, wow.
Yeah, is it good? Good.
Delicious.
Is there ketchup on it? Yeah.
In it from the old Bang Bay bus.
Bang
Yeah, Bang Bay.
We got tofu, right? Mate, I don't know.
Darling Sham.
Oh, there was
This nice free breakfast in the morning. Get some Bowser. Some stuff. Whoa. Selections unrivaled. And we got some fried rice as well over here. Orange juice, milk. Hotels in China. This is breakfast. Hotels in China.
Mate, it's too early for rice.
It's 8 a.m.
So close.
Got my Skittles. It's the next day. Hi Laura.
Hello.
Hi Afti. There we are. Little village. Under construction. It's very nice. Hello. Beautiful.
spinach egg things are
Street
literally,
food.
I'm hungover, I walk
Fish.
away, get one and come back home.
Potato. Abdi's got 3.
Yummy.
Okay.
Free for yourself.
No one for me.
3 potatoes. Abdi, that's the same. Wow, so scenic.
I want to be in it. Guys, wait!
I can't believe it.
I've tried this.
Non-polluted water in China. That's a sight to behold. Wow. What? No! No! That's illegal! This is known as the first dragon pool, as we can see from the sign. You cannot read. It's very blue. Don't know if it's fake or not. Pretty nice. Oh dear. Pool number 2. Wow. Lisa pool. R.I.P. Geico.
Our friend.
Said anyway.
Goodbye.
Yeah. Oh, that's cruel. You're a cruel man.
The worst.
Get up to. Oh my god. Jesus Christ! Stop! Please stop! 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 No! Ah! This is not safe. This is just not safe. Oh my god. The bold glass bridge.
That dragon in the end, yeah. Snazzy details.
Some onlookers. Got your shoe covers on. Someone's prepped. Glass bridge. View is a stunner. Oh, there she is. My first ever glass bridge experience. Abdi, is this your first? Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit. It feels like it's wobbling a little bit.
I've been on glacier.
You been on glaciers? She's had enough. Can't blame her. Be honest, it feels like I'm leaving the I'm a Celebrity jungle right now. Waving bye bye camp. Oh, lemon. Wow. God, the sun's so bright. I can't see. But yeah, look. Oh my god. Look at my eyes. Ah, more clean water. There you go. And the glass bridge is up there. Temple. She's recording us. She's loving it. Got Runzapu, Lizapu, Ancient Altar, Shanezpu. Oh, she doesn't drink that. I think. Sure. What are you doing?
Been in a day.
Farewell.
In a day, it's fine.
This is a setup in a bus.
Figures out that. No, you were
I'm on
saying to get on all the waiting lists.
Just China things.